Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about small and new content creators who depend solely in using free features in apps in the course of creating their content. Well, let's face it and discuss. Free video editing app can be great for beginners, but then these free apps often comes with some limitations. For example, limited export options, watermarks, and restricted access to more advanced features. These can actually hold you back from truly representing your creativity and quality content output. You can be creating content for Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and you depend solely in using just free features. No, it's not possible because creating content is a long-term investment. Now, let's use CapCut as a case study. In a video editing app like CapCut, using the pro features make life much easier. I know CapCut monthly subscription is quite pricey for beginners, content creators, and small content creators who haven't started earning. You know there's a sharing formula in using CapCut monthly subscription. Yes, there's a sharing formula that most content creators engage in. This has helped us a lot in accessing most of the pro features in CapCut with less amount of money. This sharing formula in using CapCut can because CapCut can be used in 8 devices. If 8 of you or 5 or 6 of you come together, contribute money, you can share the login details and use among yourself. This makes it easier for you to access the pro features in CapCut without breaking the bank. As a small creator or a beginner content creator who really need that video editing app that will make their content creation work easy. And then a lot of people can cut corners to use CapCut, for example, but it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. After editing, using all the pro features, you screen record, and you come back again to edit. It takes a lot of time. It's not easy. I've done it before, but it takes a lot of time. You still need to exit. At times, the background noise doesn't go. You still need to remove the background noise. How do you want to continue doing that? It's time consuming. Let me tell you. So coming together using the sharing formula in CapCut, because I know CapCut is a major app that is needed by new content creators or content creators in general. If you don't know what the sharing formula is, let me know in the comment section. One thing you should know is that upgrading to Pro is an investment in your content creation journey. If you are serious about growing your audience, work with brands, and also create quality content, you have to upgrade in using some of the pro apps in the course of creating your content. One thing is for sure is that we all want to make money from creating content. So you need to start treating your content creation as a business. If you know you're creating it for engagement, you're creating it for audience, you're creating it to give value out there, and also you want to make money from it, please start treating your content creation journey as a business. Try as much and invest even a token into getting some pro subscription app that will make your content creation work easier. Because with access to some of these advanced tools, you can edit your work faster and focus more on other important aspects of your content creation business. You don't need to spend the whole day editing your content just because you don't have access to pro features. Try as much as possible, especially for CapCut. Get the sharing formula or contribute with your friends so you people can access these pro features. It makes work easier, especially if you're a beginner. CapCut is very easy to navigate. I'm not promoting CapCut. CapCut doesn't need promotion. It promotes itself. There are other video editing tools out there, but most of them still offer pro features. But in CapCut, you have access to a lot of features that will make your work easier. As a beginner or a new content creator, try and invest in getting the pro features of CapCut. You don't need to break your bank, just as I said earlier. You can contribute and go for the monthly subscription. And CapCut can be used in 8 devices, which means 8 people, not more than 8 people. 8 people can use it in their different device with just one login. I couldn't continue cutting corners because it was time consuming. I just wanted to go straight. I have a lot on my hands to do. So I just wanted to go straight. Discipline yourself, save that money. At the end of the month, you have access to this pro features as you upgrade in the course of your content creation. You'll find out that you need to subscribe to some of these pro features as it helps make your work easier. So what are you waiting for? Let me know in the comments section if you want to continue using the free features or upgrade to pro features of some of these apps like CapCut. If you've watched up to this point, please kindly do me the favor by hitting on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. And please share this video. See you at the top as we grow in this content creation journey.